One and all, I welcome each one of you for the second series of I Ask Ayush Zixa Learning series on Clinical Insights by Dr. L. Mahadevan Sir on Neurology. It is a continuous series of 3 days. When it comes to experiencing the mind in the framework of cognitive neuroscience, the maximal yield of data comes from integrating what a person experiences, the first person, with what the measurements show, the third person. This is a quote by Daniel Goleman. The last series was about a brief description of principles and practice of Vasti, in which Sir has instilled lots of confidence in almost all of us. This month's topic is more interesting and clinically more relevant to all the clinical practitioners who have gathered here to hear what Sir's experiences on neurology. So, Dr. L. Mahadevan Sir would be the apt person to explain us about his clinical insights on neurology. I would like to invite Dr. P. Gayatri to brief about Mahadevan Sir.
Good evening, one and all. It's my immense pleasure to welcome each and everyone to this enlightening and knowledge-provoking session of continuous series of classes conducted by Ayas Kayush under Zixa Ayurveda on topic Clinical Insight Series 2 Neurology by our beloved Guru Dr. L. Mahadevan, MD, PhD Ayu. Let's start the session with prayer. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samatprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvata. Vinaya Phalam Sushrusha Guru Sushrusha Phalam Shrutam Jnanam Jnanasya Phalam Viratihi Virati Phalam Cha Ashrava Nirodha. Modesty yields service to the Guru yields knowledge, knowledge yields detachment, and detachment yields salvation. I am really privileged to welcome one such ideal Guru, Dr. L. Mahadevan, MD, PhD Ayu, who had completed BAMS from Chennai Venkatramana Ayurveda College in 1993 and completed post-graduation MD Kaya Chikitsa from Government Ayurveda College, Thiruvananthapuram in 1997. He started his clinical practice in November 1997. He had published 72 books in Ayurveda and Siddha. He had written 43 books in Tamil and 29 books in English. He had trained more than 1,000 students in his center and influenced more than 2,000 students all over India and abroad. He had received a Best Scientific Writing Award from Rashtriya Ayurveda Vidyapita, Acharya Award from CCIM, Best Writer Award 2012 from Tamil Nadu MGI University, and Ashakula Shrestha Award and Vedanta Maharishi Award from SKM. There is no specific words to express because he is like a ocean of knowledge. We are deeply honored to welcome you, sir. Over to you, sir.
A disorder of respiratory system in Vata Vyadhi. You have disorders of endocrinology in Vata Vyadhi. So it is a Vata Eva Vyadhi. Vata Kalakaliyam is told, Pitta Kalakaliyam, Kapha Kalakaliyam is not told. So when you come to the neurology is equal to basic anatomy plus common sense. Neurology is equal to basic anatomy plus common sense. Common sense is called Yukti, Yuktistu Yojana. So there are two methods of teaching neurology. One is conventional method, whether you start from clinical examination, higher mental function. First in neurology, we ask about handedness, whether he is right-handed or left-handed. Because if you are right-handed, the left hemisphere will be dominant, mostly. If you are left-handed and right hemisphere will be dominant. You have got the Broca's area, Wernicke's area, articulation area, sensory area, comprehension area, area number 4 and area number 21. Wernicke's area is area number 21. Whether you are able to understand the content of the talk, that is Wernicke's area, sensory. So first we ask handedness. Now here there is ambidextrality. Saurav Ganguly bats with the left hand and bowls with right hand. Ambidextrality. Sometimes you know only after seeing the stroke. This is one method of teaching. Of course, I do this method also to my students in the Gurukulam because we do a detailed neurological examination. But today, I am going to start with the diseases, starting from head to foot. We are going to start about diseases because for practitioners, it should be useful. So, this is my grandfather and grandmother who gave this tradition to me. My grandfather was a Samana practitioner. When he used to write Amrita Shadangam, Nishundi Shadangam, still we preserve his prescriptions. It was very effective. Probably the effect has come down. Probably we do not have the tapas he had, or the efficacy of the medicine is deteriorated. This is my beloved teacher, Dr. B. Vaidyanathan. He is a great person. I was with him for 3 months. In 3 months, he took me Jwara Chikitsa and he told me the teaching is over. He was the person who made me, once he conducted an examination on Vata Vyadhi, I wrote around 80 to 90 shlokas. So he gave me -2 out of 100, -2. So my ego was shattered. I went to him and asked him, sir, what is this? I wrote the whole Ashtanga Hridayam. You gave me a 0 mark, -2 marks. Whatever is written in the book, you have written, this is Vagbada's view. Where is your view? Then he asked me, Mahadevan, Bala is Vadagaram, Rasna is Vadagaram. Bala is Madhura Rasam, Madhura Vivagam, Chidaviryam, Guru Snikta Gunam, Vadabitta Samanam, Trayagaram, Brahmanam. Rasna is Kadadikta Garam, Kafavadagaram, Ushnam, Avaranagnam, Kafanubandha Vadagaram. Rasna is for Ashigari, Bala is for Chiragari, Rasna is for Navavastha, Bala is for Puranavastha. He told. Now I understand. Rasna is for UMN and Bala is for LMN, lower motor neuron, because most of the UMN are Avarana in nature. Most of the LMN are Dadakshaya in nature. UMN happens very quickly, stroke happens very quickly. But progressive spinal muscular atrophy takes long time. And in many of the neurological disorders, oil application, Kayasegam, Navarakri, they produce Anubhasya because of the Anubandha Kapha in that. Suppose you are going in a vehicle, there is traffic jam. Sangaha, Avarana, Sangaha. Then you meet your friend. The friend wants to ride with you. He sat on the bike. Avaranaha, Samsargaha. Then you find a new pathway to reach the site of destiny, and you travel in that small pathway. That is Vimarga Gamanam. So anything other than the Anulomana Gadi, many people think Anulomanam is the downward movement of Vayu. That Anulomanam is one of the classification of Virejana Dravya, Anulomanam, Sramsanam, Bedanam, Rechanam, that it takes 8 hours, 12 hours, 8 hours, 6 hours, and 4 hours that work on the large intestine, lower part of small intestine, upper part of small intestine, and the whole intestine, whole GI tract. That's how the classification of Anulomanam, Sramsanam, Bedanam, Rechanam came. But here, the word Anulomana, Tamushwasa Nishwasa Utsaga Praspandana Indriya Padava Vega Pravartanadivihi Vayugu Anugranadi. This is Anulomana. Unobstructed flow of Vayu. Ushwasa Nishwasam. That is hypothalamus stem. Utsagam, serotonin. Praspandanam, sympathetic and parasympathetic vagus. Cardiac output, systolic, diastolic circulation. Vega pravartanadibhi. Vayu anugranadi. Here you have a cortical, subcortical and medullary function that is told as the karma of Vayu. You understand it very clearly. Flexion and extension of knees are not told, but of course in Vyana, Utsheba, Batsheba, Agunjana, Prasarana, all these things are told. So there are very good experiences with my master. I will talk about it when the class proceeds. First, we will talk about spondylosis. Many people use the word spondylitis. Spondylitis is wrong. Tubercular spondylitis. Ankylosing spondylitis. Cervical spondylosis, 2 stages, Avarana stage, Dadutshaya stage. When there is acute cervical disc prolapse, protrusion, sequestration, that is Avarana stage. Somebody is having neck pain and they suffer since 2-3 years and they come to you with syndesmophytosis, degeneration, that is Dadutshaya stage. So acute is disc, chronic is spondylosis. So cervical spondylosis is a general term for age-related wear and tear affecting the spinal disc in the neck. So it's a osteoarthritis, including the bony projections along with the edges of bones. Some people do not have symptoms, some people have more symptoms. If you have flexion if you have pain in the flexion, you have degeneration. If you have pain in the extension, you have canal stenosis. If you have pain in the lateral bending, you have facet arthropathy. While you turn around in the bed, you get pain. When the pain radiates, that is nerve root neural foraminal compression. When there is fasciculation and exaggerated reflexes, that is myelopathy, the cord is involved. So there are various stages. Flexion, extension, lateral bending, rotation. These are all the 4 movements of cervical spine. Ayurvedically speaking, you see the straight spine, absence of lordosis denotes the muscle spasm. Sternomastoid, trapezius, latissimus dorsi, they enter into the myositis. You have a tinkling sensation, numbness, lack of coordination, difficulty in walking. Legs are also affected in spondylosis. So you should always examine the legs. Loss of bladder control and bowel control. It is a normal part of aging. Repetitive strain injury, awkward position, keeping lot of pillows, genetic factors, vada prakritis, there is ruksha vriddhi. The thing is, sthanika dosham is kapham, joint. Agantaka dosham is vayu. Sthanika dosham is shidam. Agantaka dosham is shidam. Hiras is kaphasthanam. So you have to give a Ushna Prakriya, not a Shida Prakriya. Another important point, you should not apply oil in the first phase, even in the second phase. In Kafasthana, there is Vada Vriddhi. So Ruksha Kriyas like Ruksha Svedam, Lepanam are important in cervical spondylosis. But in lumbar spondylosis, there is Vada Vriddhi in Vada Sthana, so you can go for Sneganam, Kadivasti, Matravasti, etc. directly. So this is a very important point. So this is Vada Kafakaram. So you have to select a medicine. Already I have told Vada Kafam. Some people may be new to this class. They would not have attended the previous class. Vada Pittam, you have got a rasa. Pitta Kafam, you have a rasa. Vadam, you have a rasa. Pittam, you have a rasa. Kafam, you have a rasa. Vada Pittam, you have a rasa. Pitta Kafam, you have a rasa. Vada Kafam, there is no rasa. There is no only Virya. It is Virya Pradanyam Aushada Chikitsa. Shide Chita Pradigaraga. Ushneja Ushna Nivaranam. So Ushna Prakriya is important. Vadam is Shidam, Vadam is Shalam. So you give Ushna Prakriya and give rest. So Ushnena Yuktaha Rukshadhyaha Kurvanti Vadena Sanjayam is Grishma Rudu happening in the body. Shidena Yuktaha Rukshadhyaha Kurvanti Vada Prakobam. That is Varsha Rudu happening in the body. You should understand that Shida Snigdam, Adishida Snigdam, Ushna Snigdam, Ushna Ruksham, Shida Ruksham, Ushna Dishnam are the 6 gunas in 6 into 4, 24 hours. They circulate in the body, in the Shat Chakras, and you should be able to contemplate it and you should meditate on that. Panchabhuta meditation, you can contemplate and balance the doshas in the Manomaya Kosha. We have 3 bodies, Sthula Shariram, Sukshma Shariram and Karana Shariram. Sthula Shariram is Kapha, Sukshma Shariram is Vayu, Karana Shariram, Avidya Vasanaya is Vayu. Unfortunately, this is not taught in the curriculum. So coming to the cervical spondylosis, Vada Pittam is different, Pitta Vadam is different. Pitta Kafam is different, Kapha Pittam is different, Vada Kafam is different, Kapha Vadam is different. You would have heard it many times, but there is nothing wrong in repeating it because you should know this. Vada Pittam is vertigo, Pitta Vadam is gastric ulcer, Pitta Kafam is herpes zoster, Kapha Pittam is eczema, Vada Kafam diabetic cardiomyopathy, ischemic heart disease, transient ischemic attack, neural demyelination, and Kaphavadam is bronchial asthma. Vada Pittam Vidaryadi, Pitta Vadam Drakshadi, Pitta Kafam Guduchyadi, Kapha Pittam Marakvadadi, Vada Kafam Ashtavargam, Dhananayanadi, Shunti Baladi, Shirav Suguma Kaphavadam Dasamulagadatrayam Vyagradi. So there are 3 ganas told in for Vada Vyadi. Vadavanda Vadam Viradadi, Pittanavanda Vadam Vidaryadi, Kaphanavanda Vadam Bhadradarvadi. Bhadradarvadi is the first gana told in Ayurveda in Susruta Akshebhaga Prakarana. Vada Vyadi does not contain Kashayam at all, and there is no rule that you should start the prescription with Kashayam ராசனாதி கஷாயத்தில் க்ஷீரவல மேம்படி நவகுக்குலு ராத்திரி கடகா சமயத்து சுகுமார் லேகியம் பிரபஞ்சனம் plus கொட்டி plus நாராயண தைலம். People do that. Kotanjukadi and Pintadailam, they mix and they say there is effect. But when it comes to cervical spondylosis, where Sthanika dosham is Kafam, Agandaka dosham is Vayu, Sthanika dosham is Shidam, Agandaka dosham is Shidam, you should know that you should not select Narayana Dailam, Madhyashtiyadi Dailam, Murivanna, Balaguduchadi, Pintadailam, Kajita Pintadailam, because they are Shida Virya, mostly Madhurasa, Pittanavanda Vadasamana in nature, which should not be in upper cervical issue, where you can select Kotanjukadi, Vishagarbam, Vishamushti, Chinchadi, Prapanjanam. So you divide the Thailam into two, Ushnam and Shidam, Ushnam Kotanjukadi, Shidam Sandanadi. This cervical spondylosis in a 70-year-old man with 20 years of duration, you not only need Ushnam, you need Ushna Brahmanam. That is Mahamashadailam, Prapanjanam, Karpasastyadi. Karpasastyadi is not used for Vasti. There are so many variants of Karpasastyadi. Karpasastyadi with Ajamansarasam, Uttamadailam. So many Nishkalkadailam, so many variants are available in Karpasastyadi. So Ushnam, Kotanjukadi, Ushna Brahmanam, Mahamashadailam, Shidam Chandanadi, Shida Brahmanam, Ksheerabala, Narayanam, Mahanarayanam, Madhyashtiyadi, Samasiddoshnam, Damnandanam, Trifaladi for head. So here in cervical spondylosis, you will be selecting Kapavadakara Ushna Virya Dravya. So if you want to select a Ushna Virya Dravya, can you select Rasna Saptakam? Rasna Saptakam is Vadakapakaram Ushnam Trika Viseshatvam. Can you select Rasna Panchagam? Rasna Panchagam is Vadakapakaram Ushnam Dada Viseshatvam. Can you select Sukumaram? Vadakapakaram Ushnam Mutra Marga Viseshatvam. Can you select Saptasaram, Vadakapakaram, Ushnam, Yoni Viseshatvam? Can you select Gugulitagam? Gugulitagam, okay. Tiktarasam, Katarasam, Balladaga Yuktam, okay. Can you select Sirivalvadi, Vadakapakaram, Ushnam, Sushkarshas Viseshatvam? So what will be selecting? You will be selecting Varunadi, Vadakapakaram, Ushnam, Bodhajatra Viseshatvam, Balladaga Yuktam. Balladagam works on Kafa, Kafajona, Rogastina, Vivandasti, Kashana. So you will be selecting Varunadi Kashayam. So I will be talking more about neurology. First I will talk about treatment. It will mixing. Checking the range of motion of the neck. In ankylosing spondylitis, they may not be able to turn like this. They may not be able to turn like this. They do like this. They do like this. Ankylosing spondylitis comes under Vadarakta, Gambhira Vadarakta, but the Lakshana is told in Snayagada Vada. Vakya Abhyantarayamo Kubjam Pankutvam Evaja. Kyphosis, stiff neck. Checking the range of motion, the principle is different. Ankylosing spondylitis doesn't come in neurology, it comes in rheumatology. So neurology and rheumatology comes together in certain conditions. Neuropathic vasculitis, mononeuritis multiplex in SLE, common peroneal nerve palsy, Charcot-Maries tooth disease, Charcot joint. They overlapping, peripheral neuropathy and vasculitis, they overlap. So checking the movement, testing the reflexes, knee hammer. You cannot practice without knee hammer. There are certain doctors who practice Shuddha Ayurveda. They don't use stethoscope, knee hammer, to torchlight and weighing machine. We talk about glory of them. Yesterday somebody called me to have a discussion, debate, whether to use modern technology in diagnosing a disease. I told I won't come, it will end up in quarrel. I'm a soft-spoken person and almost I'm in spiritual path now, and I don't want to argue with anybody. Fools argue, wise men discuss. So testing reflexes and muscle strength, very important. Clinical medicine is 2 plus 2 is 4. It's not a medicine. You elicit Hoffman sign, pull sign. What an information you get. What an information with the knee hammer. You cannot practice without knee hammer. Charaka is a rishi, Susuta is a rishi. Davidson, Adams and Harrisons are also rishis. Rishis here. Rishayogo idam arsham. Ayurvedam is arsham. Rishayogo idam. It came from rishi. Agnivesh, Bela, Jaduvarna, Parasara, Harida, Charavani. Vaidya Vidya Sampradaya Karturbhyo, Vaidya Rishibhyo, Mahatbhyo, Namo Gurubhyaha. So it is a holy tradition like Avichinnam. While telling the Nasyam, we tell Avichinna Dhara, uninterrupted flow of consciousness that is being transmitted from sage to sage. So watching to walk, whether he is able to walk in straight line, whether he is able to walk back, whether he is able to close the hand, tie the hand, close the eyes and stand, Romberg sign, modified Romberg sign, knee jerk will be brisk, there will be numbness, Kafanubandhavadam, there will be wasting Kavalavadam, Pittanubandha Lakshanams are very less, Abhabhagagam, many people interpret as shoulder arthritis, periarthritis of shoulder as Abhabhagagam. Colleges also, that is when you have pain in leg, it is Gridrasi. When you have pain in hand, it is Vishwasi. Both are called as Kalli. Kalli to Pada Jangu Uru Karamula Avabotani, dystonia. We have various dystonias, we have various movies, we have various documentations. We will be showing it to you. Vada Abasmaram, tonic-clonic seizures, Pitta Abasmaram, temporal lobe epilepsy, Kapha Abasmaram, akinetic seizures, and Balagraha is an extended version of demyelination, motor neuropathy, and seizures. There is nothing new called Balagrahas. All these grahas, many of the grahas are disorders of neurology, and all these Pishasa, Sattvam, and Varuni, they are all personality disorders. Borderline personality, cyclothymic personality, or we have done work on that. I will show it to you in the classes. I don't think 3 weeks, it will take 3 months to complete neurology, but we will see. We will go on talking until you get tired. I am ready to talk. Ask the person to walk to see if spinal compression is affecting the gait. By gait, circumduction gait, stroke, small stepping gait, Festin gait, Parkinson's disease. In Parkinson also, Parkinsonism, atypical Parkinson's disease, atypical Parkinsonism, Parkinson plus, Scheidegger syndrome, progressive supranuclear palsy. So many things are there. You cannot tell everything. Parkinson give Kabigechu and say Kabigechu 40 grams contains levodopa. All these things are nonsense. So, MRI, whenever you write MRI for cervical spine, always write MRI cervical spine, screen brain, and sagittal view of whole spine. My students are served with eatables. I am able to smell that. That indicates not have corona. So the MRI can pinpoint. You should not write MRI neck. If you write MRI neck, you will concentrate on larynx, trachea, mediastinum. So you should always write MRI cervical spine. The difference between MRI and CT you cannot see demyelination. CT you cannot see gray matter, white matter, myelin sheath. CT you cannot see the multiple sclerosis. CT you cannot see the syringomyelia. CT is needed for bone lesion. After a stroke, you take CT. CT will rule out hemorrhage. CT may not rule out an infarction. If hemorrhage is ruled out, you can go for Vata Kapakara Chikitsa. If there is an hemorrhage, you should go for Raktavitta Chikitsa, Vadavitta Chikitsa, Vadavitta Shamana Chikitsa, Kshiravasti, Talam, Shilodhara, etc., Jaladhara, etc. So, nerve conduction study is not clinically needed for management of cervical spondylosis. You should not use the word spondylitis. It is ruled out because there is no inflammation. It is spondylosis. Spondylosis. You see this sagittal view, you see the cervical disc protrusion and impingement over the arachnoid column. Arachnoid column, there is a impingement over arachnoid column and the cord is being affected. That's called cervical myelopathy. In myelopathy, you get sporanum, fasciculations. So whenever you get an MND, motor neuron disease, you should always rule out cervical myelopathy. யாரோ பேசிக்கிட்டே இருக்காங்க, பேசாம இருந்தீங்கன்னா அந்த ஃப்ளோ வரும். அதோடடா cervical radiculopathy. Radiculopathy is the compression of nerve. In radiculopathy, reflex will be brisk. What is brisk? What is exaggerated? You should know that. Chalaguna vriddhi in the Majjadadu. I always interpret gray matter, white matter, myelin sheath at Majjadadu, Purayati iti. Today one patient came, multiple sclerosis, acute phase. We admitted by 3:30. We took corona is negative, we admitted. I told the students to start Pachanamridam, Dushi Vishadi Akadam, Yeladi Churnam Udvartanam. And I told them, make Chadurtaga Jwara Kashayam. Chadurtaga Jwaram affects the Majjadadu. Demyelination affects the Majjadadu. So Chadurtaga Jwara Kashayam I have asked them to make. And I have asked them to give that with Swarna Mukta Adivadi. Then we are planning to do Thaila Snegabanam because this in Varsha Rudu, Thaila Snegabanam is better. So the compression is related to disc herniation. Herniation is actually Ashaya Apakarshaka Gadi. Disc prolapse is Ashaya Apakarshaka Gadi. This is told by Madhavinidana. They ask in examination. They write this Kamala, Shakagata Kamala as example. Everybody writes the same example. Utpadaka Gedu, Vendaka Gedu, Hemando, Madhurasa Kafasya. There is no other example. I asked a doctor who was teaching Nidanam continuously, sir, will you be able to provide 3 more examples? Like in Viruddha, I asked them to write, sir, current day food and practices. Will you be able to write the Viruddha? You are telling Amanaku Kuchinala, Mail Mamsaka Kutti Chapta Virutane, Maila Konale, Sutta Jailati Potruan, Mail on the national bed, Epidis are Maila Amanaku Kuchila Shabdu. The newer vegetables, samskara, raw and cooked one, we are in a stage to interpret the Rasaguna Virya Vivaga. One Siddha fellow told me everything is told and Urlakkadangu is also told. I told Urlakkadangu Pindalu came later, up to 17th century, that is Chepangadangu. Then he was quoting Tattai Payirgal Muchai Tagayara Varakal Kandu. Kottai Urlakkalangil Kodiyador Vayudondrum Tottu Parkade Endrum Suvaikaga Noi Berade. Yaro Idachirgala Irkalam. Tattai Payirgal Mochai, Ade Prachane. Tagayara Varakal Kandu Kottai Urlakkalangil. Na Urlakkalangil Kata, Madhurasam, Madhurabhagam, Snigdagunam, Vadapitha Samanam, Guru. Ade Epdi Vadata Kutumaya. Ade Tani chapter. So symptoms, pain will be there. So you lepa. Brahmyastu mridulangaye. Before application of oil, you apply leba. Ushna virya leba. Kola gulattadi, kottanjukkadi, gragadumadi are ushna virya lebas. With pulichari, dhanyamlam, kashayam, you apply. Then you do grivavasti. Griva Pichu, Griva Vasti, you can do that. Coming to the Abhavagukam, periarthritis of shoulder when you cannot abduct the hand more than 40 degrees. Amsam, Amsamulam, Amsasandhi are different. Amsam is scapula, Amsamulam is cervical spine, Amsasandhi is glenohumeral joint. Amsamule sthide vayuhu. Suppose in diabetes, there is periarthritis, frozen shoulder, which is called adhesive capsulitis. Adhesive capsulitis. Sthanika dosham is kapam, agantaka dosham is vayu, sthanika dosham is shidam, agantaka dosham is shidam, ushna prakriya is needed. Abhavagukam hidam nasyam uttara bhaktidam gridam. After immediately you give grida after intake of food. After intake of food, kapham will be aggravated. Pramegam is a kapha pradhanya vadi. This sthanika dosham is kapha. Will you do a uttara bhaktida grida in a kapha roga in kaphasthana? If you have to do a uttara bhaktida grida in a case of kapha roga in kaphasthana, that much vada prakopa, dadakshaya would have happened there. It doesn't happen. So, sarva amsamule sthide vayu is cervical cord issues, not these shoulder issues. That is amsa sandhigata padam prasarana agunchana yogo pravrittim cha vedana. Bladder and bowel. Bladder, everything bladder, our people will write Sumara Gradam Chandra Prabha Adipravarti Apravarti Vastyame Andaka Gradam Avabedaka Snagavanam. Frequency, Samprapti is different. Urgency, Samprapti is different. Incontinence, Samprapti is different. Hesitancy, Samprapti is different. Overflow, Samprapti is different. So bladder pathology, you have so many pathology. Overactive bladder, underactive bladder, atonic bladder. So Samprapti different. In atonic bladder, you do Gulma Chikitsa. In human bladder, you do Vata Pitta Shamana, Madara Sthiraguna Yukta Chikitsa. Chalaguna Vriddhi, when they cough, they urinate. So if you give a Gokshura there, what will happen? Madhura Rasam, Kleda Vardhanam, Mutra Vardhanam, more Mutra. So you need a teacher. You need a teacher. It is not talking about Vyakhyanas, but I have seen people talking Vyakhyanas and all. They are important. Much more important is diagnosis. If the diagnosis is important, Vada Pitta Kapha based diagnosis. That is why when I wrote this commentary for Sahasra Yoga, I translated everything. When it came to Gulmam and Udavartam, I kept as it is. Because Gulmam cannot be translated, Udavartam cannot be translated. I told my students 2 days before, untreated Udavarta is stroke. Untreated Udavartam is angina. Untreated Udavartam is TIA. What is not? So these are all the beautiful varieties that exist in Ayurveda. So symptoms, the pain worsen with certain movements in the neck and low back, and prolonged sittings and walking. Will be sitting all the time. So you should do flexion, extension, flexion, degeneration, extension canal. Normal canal is 7 millimeter to 21 millimeter. People with canal stenosis cannot sit more than 30 minutes. They want to lie down. That is called a neurological claudication. People who smoke cigarette, they get atherosclerosis of the blood vessels. When they walk, they stop, and then they walk, and then they stop, then they walk, then they stop. Buerger's disease, which is called vascular claudication. Then you have spondylolisthesis, pars intra-articularis deficit, clipple nail deformity, cyst, fracture, infection, very rarely astroblastoma, gliomas, very rarely, very, very rarely you see that. This is the pars intra-articularis deficit. You see the small nodes there. L5 over S1 and L4 over L5. Now you have the axial view. In the axial view, in the neural foramen, there is a disc protrusion producing the narrowing of the left neural canal impingement over the nerve root producing radiculopathy. In the sagittal view, you see the C5 disc protruded and impingement over the cord producing cervical myelopathy or subarachnoid column impingement. So the modern medicine says there is surgery. Most of the time, the surgeries are not needed. And when they do laminectomy and they do not keep titanium plating, it will end up in degeneration. They will suffer from osteoarthritis after a few years. Even osteoarthritis is wrong. Osteoarthrosis is correct. So radiculopathy, improper lifting techniques, repetitive strain injury, overweight. குண்டா இருக்கிறது தான் எல்லாத்துக்கும் பிரச்சனைங்கிறான். என்ன பார்க்குறவங்க எல்லாம் சொல்றான், என்ன சார் அது? ஒரு தண்டை நான் சொன்னேன், டயட் சொன்னேன், ஒபிசிட்டிக்கு டயட். டெய்லி ராத்திரி ஒரு கிளாஸ் ஓட்ஸ் குடிச்சிடுன்னு சொன்னேன். அவன் கேட்டான், சாப்பாட்டுக்கு முன்னாடியா சாப்பாட்டுக்கு பின்னாடியா? இல்லப்பா, அதுதான்ப்பா சாப்பாடு, அதுதான் சாப்பாடு. ஓவர் வெயிட் ரொம்ப இது. ஒரு தடவை ஒரு இட்டாலியிலேருந்து ஒரு லேடி, 7 அடி ஒசரம், ஒரு 4 அடி வீதி, தீர்க்க புருஷன். இப்போ அவங்களுக்கு வெயிட் குறையணும்னாங்க. அப்போ நாங்கள் ஒரு பெரிய டேபிள், we made a bigger table, asked them to lie down and arranged 6 people for Udvartana. Udvartanam is again problem. Udvartanam, Udkarshanam, Utsadanam. One fellow says Vadagaram, another fellow says Vada Kafagaram. All these things are there. Susuda Anagada Bada Pratishedam. I don't know how many of you have got an opportunity to study Susuda. Now I read Susuda every day. So these people did Dovagu, Dvesaktini, Shirogrivam, Andaradi. Hand, leg, thorax, abdomen, head, they were doing massage with the Eladi Churnam, Triphaladi Churnam, Marakodadi Churnam to reduce the weight. They were rubbing, telling Dhanvantari mantra. After 21 days, the lady lost 10 kilos. That is not the beauty. That is not the beauty of Ayurveda. But people who did massage lost 17 kilos. So that is, so next time I told her, we will do reverse Udvartana. I was writing a book called Ayurvedic Jokes, and my students told, sir, already you are being criticized and you don't publish that. We thought of giving one complimentary joke book with every 2 Vasti books you purchase. So we stopped that idea, and I tell jokes to the students, they enjoy. You should smile, you should smile and you should laugh. Some people do not smile at all. Silence is needed. Silence is Vishesha. Talking is Samanya. You talk English, he talks Tamil, she talks Malayalam. But silence is same. There is no Japan silence. There is no Malayalam silence. Yeah. Silence is not the absence of sound, but the absence of self. மாதா ஆனந்தமயமான ஒரு மகாத்மா இருந்தா, அமிர்தானந்தமயி இல்லை, அவ்வளோ பெரியவங்க தான், ஆனந்தமயமான இருந்தா அங்க நார்த் இந்தியாவில். என்னுடைய ஒரு பெரியவர் ஒருத்தர் பார்க்க போயிருந்த போது சொன்னார், குரோஸ்து மௌனம் வியாக்கியானம். மௌனம் ஒரு பெரிய விஷயம். வாசால சலமானசகா. வாத பிரகிருதி டாக்ஸ் 80 words per minute. Pitta talks 60 words per minute. Kapha talks 40 per minute. They are all the trait, that is what told. Vada looks like monkey. Pitta looks like tiger. Kapha looks like swan. They are all the breathing pattern. The respiratory rate of monkey is 32. Respiratory rate of human is 16. Respiratory rate of elephant is 8. Respiratory rate of tortoise is 3. Tortoise lives for 300 years. Tortoise. ஆமை. ஆமம் இல்லை, ஆமை. ஒரு தடவை நான் எக்ஸாமினரா போயிருந்தேன். வாட் இஸ் பிரகிருதி? ஸ்டூடெண்ட் கம்மன இருக்கான். வாட் இஸ் விகிருதி? எக்ஸாமினர் பக்கத்துல இருந்து சிம்பிள் கொஸ்டினா கேளுங்க சார், இன்னும் சிம்பிளா கேளுங்க. வாட் இஸ் யுவர் நேம்? எக்ஸாக்ட்லி சிம்பிள் கொஸ்டின். ஒண்ணுக்குமே ஆன்சர் சொல்லுது. What is the main ingredient of Shavanaprasam? He told Shavanam. Pah, bale. How will you fry? Simply I will fry. I remove the seed and fry. This is how our people. Then I asked, what is Amam? He told, indigestion. Appa. One fellow told, who is the father of the nation? This fellow told Rahul Gandhi. The examiner told, you give him pass mark. How can I give him pass mark? Rahul Gandhi, at least Gandhi, 50% is correct. You give him 50 marks. So these type of our fellows answers very peculiarly. Sometimes my students also answer. You see this. Lateral view, straight spine, absence of lordosis denoting spasm, canal stenosis is there. AP view is needed for young girls with come with neck pain to rule out cervical rib, thoracic outlet syndrome and subclavian occlusion. You see the extra rib there, and you take the hand like this, lift the hand, Adam sign, and turn the neck, check the pulse. You will not get the pulse. It's a very simple test by which you can, young girl, I have not seen in men. SLE I have not seen in men. Gout I have not seen in women. Ankylosing spondylitis, more men, less women. These are all the varieties that exist. Multiple sclerosis, men and women equal. Prostrate, only men can get. And he was corona and he passed. This is very unfortunate with this disease. We don't know what to do. Concept doesn't eradicate. Everybody is afraid. We are afraid. We are afraid. We live with fear because it comes 70, 80 patients come. There is fear. Bhayakrit, Bhayanashanaga. Bhayam. For Bhayam, Sarga says, Vishnum Sakasra Murdhanam. Thoracic outlet syndrome. Subclavian artery occlusion. The hand will become blue. To do like this goose sign. The hand will become blue, which is called Raynaud's phenomenon. You put the hand in the cold water, it will become blue. Pain, paresthesia is kaphavaadam. Numbness is kapham. Weakness. So, in a sthula dehi, cervical spondylosis, varunadikashayam, navagaguggulu, karpasastyadi nasyam, kottanjukkadi levam, 3 days. Then, panchasnegam korambu, urdhajatra vigareshu nishi, mahasnegam, astimajjagade mahasnego at bedtime is the protocol. Samprapti vigadanameva, vikriti parampara, Gananatha Seni has told, beautiful word, vikriti parampara, eva paramarthido rogaha. So this is the very beautiful thing, and there is no need to write 4 medicine or 5 medicine. You can eat with 1 vegetable, you can eat with 5 vegetables. And it depends on the choice of the doctor. Sometimes I write a lot of medicines, sometimes I do not. One rheumatoid came to me, he gave only Kokilaksham alone for 3 months, then asked her to come back. Another case of stroke, I wrote 8 medicines. So these are all the varieties that free will is given to you. If you want to smoke, you smoke. Smoking is bad. Prajnaparadam. Once you smoke, asatmendriyartha samyogam, and you get cancer, parinama. சித்திரப்பெட்டியில் சிகினா படுக்கை, நித்திரை கலைந்ததும் நெருப்பு நீராட்டு. சிசர் பாக்கெட் வந்து சித்திரப்பெட்டி, அதுல ஜிகினா படுக்கையில் இருக்கான் சிகரெட்டு. நித்திரை கலைந்ததும், அதை எடுத்த உடனே அதுக்கு நெருப்பு நீராட்டம். உறவுக்கும் நட்புக்கும் பாலமிடும் கலை. ரோட்ல போயிட்டே இருப்பான், முன்ன பின்ன தெரியாது. சார் சிகரெட் விடுங்க சார். ஒருத்தன், ஒரு மாணவர் அங்க மரத்துக்கு கீழே நின்று சிகரெட் விட்டுட்டு இருந்தான். அது வட்டம் விட்டு அம்பு விட்டு எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தான். சிகரெட் விட்டுறான், ஒரு வட்டம் ஒரு அம்பு. ஆசிரியர் வந்தார். ஆசிரியர் வந்த உடனே இவன் ஆசிரியரை பார்த்து சிகரெட் விட்டுட்டே இருக்கான். ஆசிரியருக்கு ரொம்ப வருத்தம், என்னடா நம்மளை அவமானப்படுத்திட்டானே, சங்கடப்பட்டார். அடுத்தது அவன் அப்பா வந்தார். வந்த உடனே சிகரெட் எடுத்து பின்னாடி வச்சுட்டான். ஆஹா, மாதா பிதா குரு தெய்வம். நான் குரு அப்ப தானே வரேன். மாதா பிதா குரு தெய்வம். அப்பா அப்பா தம்பி வணக்கம், வைத்தியராஜ நமஸ்துபியம், வணக்கம். நான் வந்தேன், நீ சிகரெட்டை பிடிச்சு அம்பு விட்டேன், ஒரு வட்டம் போட்டு ஒரு அம்பு விட்டேன், அது குத்தி சாப்பாட்டேன், ஒதுக்கிட்டேன், அம்பு தள்ளி போயிடுது. ஆனா அப்பாவை கண்ட உடனே நீ மறைச்ச பாரு, அந்த இடத்துலதான் நீ நிக்கிறேன்னு. அதெல்லாம் ஒண்ணும் இல்லை சார், அந்த ஆள் பார்த்தா கேட்பான் அப்படின்னாரு. அந்த ஆள் பார்த்தா கேட்பான். அப்படிப்பட்டவங்களும் இருக்காங்க. இப்போ சிலவன் கிளாஸ் எடுப்பான், பதார்த்த விஞ்ஞானம், சல்யம், அப்படியே தூங்க வச்சிருவான் மத்தியானம் 2:30 மணிக்கு. அப்படியே ஒரு நிர்விகல்ப சமாதி. அந்த மாதிரி 2 மணிக்கு சாங்கிய தர்சனத்தை ருச்சிக்கும்படியா எடுக்கணும். அதுதான் டீச்சர். டாக்டர்னாலே டீச்சர்னு அர்த்தம். சர்விக்கல் பிராடிகதோபதி, ராஸ்னா சுண்டியாதி கஷாயம், வருணாதி கஷாயம், குக்குலதிக்தகம் கஷாயம், அஷ்டவர்க்கம் கஷாயம், ரசோனாதி கஷாயம் எல்லாம் வாத கபகரம், உஷ்ணம், ஊர்துவ சத்ரு விசேஷத்துவம், மாஷபல ஆத்மகுப்தாதி கஷாயம், சக்கரதத்தா அருமையான மருந்து. நாசா பானம் இருக்கு, செரிப்ரோஸ்பைனல் ஃப்ளூயிட், மூக்குடியா குடிக்கிறது. ஒரு அமெரிக்கன் சொன்னா, நான் வானத்துல வீடு கட்டிடுவேன். எப்படியான்னா, கொஞ்சம் கீழே பூமியில. ஓஹோ. ஜெர்மன் சொன்னா, நான் கடல்ல வீடு கட்டிடுவேன். அது எப்படியான்னா, கொஞ்சம் தள்ளி தரையில கட்டிடுவேன். அப்போ ஒரு இந்தியன் சொன்னா, நான் மூக்கால காப்பி குடிப்பேன். எப்படின்னா, கொஞ்சம் கீழே வாயால. அந்த மாதிரி இது வந்து மாஷபலா ஆத்மகுப்தாதி. சக்கரதத்தம் படிக்கணும். அதுல ரத்ன பிரபா நிச்சலகரன் எழுதின வியாக்கியானம் படிக்கணும். நான் காலையில 2:30 மணிக்கு எழுந்திருக்கிறேன். I get up at 2:30 and 2:45 to 8 I study. Whether the earth quake and heaven falls, I study. I am addicted to studies. Sex, wine, money, nothing tempt me. You should study, study, study and study. Study for happiness. You don't study for exam. You don't even study for knowledge. Knowledge is a limited word. Wisdom is a better word. Wisdom is a better word. But you get happiness, anandam, which is your swarup. Satyam, Jnanam, Anandam, Brahma. Anandam. Many people think Anandam is to be obtained. No, Anandam is not to be obtained. Anandam has to be realized. Anandam is your Swarupa, Swarupa Siddhi. So it will take you to Swarupa Siddhi. எவ்வளோ விஷயங்கள்லாம் இருக்கு. யாரோ இடையில பேச தொடங்கியாச்சு, அதனால கிளாஸ் இதை முடிச்சுடுவோம்மா. ராஸ்னா குக்குலு, ஆபா குக்குலு, யோகராஜ குக்குலு இல்லைன்னா மகாயோகராஜ யுக்யூ. இட்ஸ் நாட் லைக் தட். Both are entirely different. Simhanadam, Gandhagam, Yarandadailam is there. Trayodasangam, which is called Abha Gugulu, 2 yogas are there. I think, shall we stop and ask for question answers? How much time I have? Then we'll talk a little more. Yogaraja Gugulu, 27 parts of Gugulu, Chitragam, అందులో చవ్య చిత్రగాది గుగ్గులు, దట్ ఈస్ యోగராஜ గుగ్గులు. ద్విపంచమூல ஹரிதங்கி, தசமூல ஹரிதங்கி. இந்த மாதிரி பேரை மாற்றி வச்சாச்சுன்னா ப்ரிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் நம்மள்கிட்ட திருப்பி வரும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறாங்க. எஸ்எஸ்ஏ சீரோ நெகட்டிவ் ஆர்த்ரோபதி, ரியாக்டிவ் ஆர்த்ரைட்டிஸ், சிம்ஹநாத குக்குலு, பிருகத் சிம்ஹநாத குக்குலு, யோகராஜம் அண்ட் மகாயோகராஜம். யோகராஜம் 29 ஐட்டம், மகாயோகராஜம் 31 ஐட்டம். சவுண்ட் மழை. It's raining heavily here. 27 herbals are taken into churnam added with heated and liquefied guggulu. Anagni siddha guggulu, மகாயோகராஜம் அக்னி சித்த குக்குலு. நிறைய மருந்துகள்லாம் இருக்கு, எல்லாம் இருக்கு. இதுல மெட்டல்ஸே இல்லை. அதுல நாகம், வங்கம், எசசம், ஏககுண சிந்தூரம் எல்லாம் மெட்டல்ஸ். இல்ல இண்டிகேஷன் பார்த்தா இண்டிகேஷன் இன்ஃபர்டிலிட்டி. யோகராஜ குக்குலுடைய whenever you study a yoga, விசேஷ பல ஸ்ருதி you study. தாளிசவத்ராதி சூர்ணம், மூடவாத அனுலோமனம், பிசிஓடி, அமெனோரியா, அகஸ்திய ரசாயனம், வலி பலிதம், premature grey fall, சகஜராதி தைலம், பீனசான், யோனிரோகான், சிதோபலாதி, கரபாத தாகம், நான் டயபெட்டிக் சென்சரி நியூரோபதி, அபயாரிஷ்டம், கரவிஷம். How many of you know Abhayarishtam? Which is the main ingredient of Abhayarishtam? Abhaya. No, you are wrong. Amalaki, 9 kilos. 9 kilos. Vaidyanatha sir asked me, why Rasanadi Churnam is red in color? I don't know. It contains Gairigam. That's why it is red in color. Aha. That's Guru Kadaksham. Guru nudiya kripa illena, Guru kripa ki kevalam. Guru illena enna namakku ஒண்ணுமே கிடையாது. ஞானம் எப்படி வரும்? ஞானம் வேண்டாமா? நகி ஞானேன சதிருஷம் பவித்ரம் இக வித்யதே. குஷ்டம், மர்ஷஸ், சர்வைக்கல், பிப்பல்யாதி கிருதம், ஜுவர சிகிச்சா. தி விசேஷ பல சுருதியா பிப்பல்யாதி கிருதம் இன் ஜுவரம் இஸ் அம்சதாபம். குக்குலிதிக்தகம் and varunadi both are same, both are vadakapagara, both contains balladaka, both contains, both work on the shirorogas, both work on astimajjagata dhatu, but varunadi is lagu. Mandagnitvam niyachadi. In Mandagni, Varunadi can be given. In Atyagni, Gugulidiktakam has to be given. Gugulidiktakam cannot be given in Mandagni. Guguli is Guru. Dhanvantaram contains Balladaga, Varunadi contains Balladaga, Narasimham contains Balladaga, Bhagashalam contains Balladaga, Kankayanam contains Balladaga, Saptasama Guliga contains Balladaga. Many more things contain Ballad. Can you tell something? You are laughing. She is laughing. So, புன்னகை சம்மதம் அர்த்தம். நீ சொன்னதெல்லாம் சரிதான் அர்த்தம். கார்பாசியாஸ்தியாதி தைலம், பிண்ணியாக தைலம், ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் தைலம் அது. பிண்ணியாக தைலம் வாத கபகரம் ரொம்ப அற்புதமான மருந்து. இப்ப நியூராலஜி, சோஷ, ஆட்சேப, ஸ்தம்ப, கம்பான், பீனசான், யோனி ரோகான். சோஷம், டிஸ்யூஸ் அட்ரஃபி. ஆக்ஷேபம், இன்வாலண்டரி மூவ்மெண்ட். ஸ்தம்பம், ரிஜிடிட்டி. கம்பம், ட்ரமர். சகஜராதி தைலத்தினுடைய பலஸ்ருதி எடுத்த pyramidal and extra pyramidal symptoms are told beautifully. There are 13 prasaranyadi tailam. When I say prasaranyadi, I am talking about prasaranyadi which is told in Ashtanga Hridayam Vadavyadi. Rasanadi Churnam talam. Why do you keep talam? To prevent the kapha utklishtam, we keep it talam. Panchasnegam, நல்லெண்ணெய், தேங்காய் எண்ணெய், விளக்கெண்ணெய், நெய், பராகவசா. பஞ்சஸ்நேகம் குழம்புன்னு பேரு. குழம்புனா எமளம். தி சான்ஸ்கிரிட் வேர்டு ஃபார் குழம்புனா வத்த குழம்பு கிடையாது, எமளம். ரெண்டு ஒண்ணா சேருது. ஒரு ஸ்தாவர ஸ்நேகம் பிளஸ் ஒன் ஜாங்கம ஸ்நேகம் இஸ் கால்டு குழம்பு. தே retain the heat more. அவ்வளவுதான், வேற ஒண்ணும் இல்லை. Heat retaining capacity is more. கஃபவாத பிரகிருதிகளுக்கு குழம்பு எடுக்கணும், பித்தவாத பிரகிருதிகளுக்கு குழம்பு எடுக்கப்படாது. எல்லாத்துக்கும் குழம்பு தான். தான்வந்தரம் குழம்பு தான், தலைக்கும் தான்வந்தரம் தான். தலைக்கும் தான்வந்தரத்துக்கும் என்ன சம்பந்தம்? விஷமுஷ்டி தைலம். Because I have to do all these things because I am a teacher. I am a teacher because they ask me all these. These students, do you know? They know how to ask questions. They don't answer, but they ask. Vishamushti. Vishagarbham is Datturam, Chinjadi. Mahamashadailam contains Ajamamsam, Brahmanam, Attamamsam. Adu. Patrapodala Svedama, other thing. Nichuladi Churnam, Ashtanga Redilarigo, Nilakadambu, Urturkme Teria, Neer Kadambu. Ashtanga Gradin, Uttarastana, Mugarogatia, Nichuladi Churnariku, or company manufacturer Bandra. Aramiana Marindi labor to cervical spondylosis. Adodana Nirtipo, Pasiache, Nalaki. Nalaki, Nalaka, neurology, Padan, Totangiri, higher mental functions, cranial nerves, motor system, reflexes, power, tone, sensory system, pain, superficial sensation, deep sensation, stereognosis, position sense, vibration sense, cerebellar, dysdiadochokinesia, Romberg's, modified Romberg's, Nihil test, reflexes, bladder issues, Kernick sign, neck stiffness, seizures, dementia complex, Alzheimer's, Lewy body, multi-infant dementia, Parkinson dementia complex, neurojunctional disorders, myasthenia gravis, Amitabh Bachchan had, Vataha Vartam, ptosis, and much more things are genetic, congenital, Charcot-Maries tooth disease, developmental anomalies, learning disability disorders, autism spectrum, Sakaja Unmadam spectrum, and psychoneuroimmunological topics. So much to cover. I will try to cover. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the great insight given to us. There are some questions, sir. Can I ask you?
Yeah. Is it Hema?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Okay, sir. So, what is the line of treatment for Apabahukam, sir?
Apabhakam, if you consider as shoulder arthritis, you should do Ruksha Kriya and Uttama Mataranasya. In our tradition, we consider Apabhakam as cervical cord lesion, where we will be giving Apabhakam Idam Nasyam, Avartida Karpasastyadi, Uttara Bhaktidam Gradam, Guguliditagam Gradam at bedtime, followed by Prasaranyadi Kshirakshayam.
Okay, sir. So, how Griva Vasti is effective in cervical spondylitis, sir?
When there is Rukshadam is more, when Dadukshayam is more, in Kapavadasthana, Vada predominates. If you apply this Vasti, the oil will stay there, produce vasodilatation and reduce Rukshada and gives pain relief and improves the flexibility of joints. Not in the Amavastha, in the later phase it can be done.
Okay, sir. Sir, why for most of the, like when we see the patients for cervical spondylitis, most of the patients are diabetic. So why only most of the diabetic patients are affected with cervical spondylitis or Apabahukam?
Calcification takes place more in diabetes. That is why they get adhesive capsulitis. Cervical spondylitis is not directly related to diabetes. Probably sedentary life and repetitive strain injuries in the sedentary sitting jobs.
Okay, sir. Because I've seen most of the cases, if we take a history before Apabahukam, they will say I had neck pain or I had some stiffness, and then only they will say it developed into the stiff shoulder joint. So that's why I asked, sir.
Calcification happen in periarthritis of shoulder.
Okay, sir.
So abduction will be affected.
So what is the commentary name you told for Chakradatta, sir? Can you tell it again?
Nishalakara. Ratnaprabha commentary by Nishalakara. That's what I am reading now.
Okay. So median nerve injury and flexor tendon injury line of treatment.
We are going to talk about it tomorrow. The median nerve pass between flexor retinaculum and carpal bones, it gets compressed. It is called tunnel sign. Once you touch, there will be numbness, which is called median neuropathy, carpal tunnel syndrome. It comes under Rujagara marmam, Gulfedo, Manibandedo, Dve Dve Kurcha Siram Sija, Rujagarani Janiya, Dasto Vamsadi Buddhiman. You can do Ababhaga Chikisa, but in this tendon here, if you do Agni Karma, there will be immediate relief.
Okay, sir.
Of course, you can do Yeganga Purichal with Murivanna, Rasna Saptakam, Varunadi, Karpasasthyadi Tailam, Uttama Matara Nasyam, all these things you can do. You can do bandaging, but Agni Karma is best.
Okay, sir. So, what would be the line of treatment for idiopathic motor neuropathy, sir?
Idiopathic motor neuropathy, you treat like Urustamba. Apply, avoid oil. Apply Ruksha Udvartana, Gadam, Ruksham, Udvartanam, Gadam. That principle you have to apply. And diabetes only it is told. Ruksham, Udvartanam, Gadam. It is told in diabetes in Vaishyajartanavali and Ashtanga Sangraha. And you apply Udvartanam with Eladi Jurnam, Sakataradi, Padradarvadi, Lashuna Kalkam, Lashuna Rasayanam, Sakataradi Taila, Samana Snegavanam. Don't apply oil externally and give Swarna Prayoga, etc. After long period, after Basti, you can apply Snegana externally. Exercise is very important.
Okay, sir.
Idiopathic motor neuropathy actually is very rare. Mostly motor neuropathy will be post-infective, demyelinating, axonal or diabetic or alcoholic.
Okay, sir.
Pyridoxine can produce, beetle can produce.
Okay, sir. Sir, if there is, there might be any lesion in the spinal cord also, sir. If there is this idiopathic motor neuropathy, any chances?
Possible, possible. Root compressor tumors, intramedullary tumors, possible. Uncommon, but possible.
So in that case, what we could do, sir? We could
same thing. Lakshana Vishesha Chikitsa, same thing. By modern parameters, if you find a tumor and the tumor is the cause, Kapajona Rogastina Vibandasti Kashana, same Kapavadagara, you should go for Balada Kshirabhaga.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So chronic cervical spondylosis treatment in aged.
Prasaranyadi Kashayam, Gandadailam, Karpasasthyadinasyam, Panjasneham Kodambu, wearing collar, teaching slow movements, improving the sternomastoid muscles, trapezius and latissimus tarsi. They will do well.
Okay, sir. The post-surgical treatment for complete injury of median nerve.
Not possible. Not possible.
So, Eranda Moolam with Saindava Lavanam, you told no, sir, for Nasyam. So, that is to be made as a Kashayam or how, sir? Eranda Moolam.
Where did I tell?
Sir, you told.
Mashabala Atmagupta Yogam.
Yes, sir. You told Eranda Moola plus Saindava Lavanam.
Kashayam, mix salt, filter it and do.
Okay, sir. That should be done for 7 days, no, sir?
Days are not mentioned in Chakradatta. You can do until Samyak Vyadi Nivrti Lakshanas are seen.
Vyadi Nivrti Lakshanas. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, external therapy for median nerve injury at wrist.
Kayatiri Meni Tailam, Vasavu Tailam, Murivanna, Dhanvandaran Tailam, Bala Ashwagandha Lakshadi Tailam. These 5 all oils are having Abhigadagnam property, which can be given. External.
Can you repeat the oil's name, sir, again?
Kayatiri Meni, Vasavu Ennai, Murivu Ennai, Dhanvandara Tailam, Abhigadagnam, Bala Ashwagandha Lakshadi, Sandhaniyam Param.
Okay.
Laksha.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I think more questions are there, sir, but I think we would more. I think tomorrow you will continue the class, no, sir. So I think more people will have the answers tomorrow also, because I think today you did with the cervical radiculopathy and you are still to go for tomorrow's classes. So we are eagerly awaiting. to hear tomorrow class, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And I request Dr. Gayatri to do the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Hema. Thank you for wonderful coordination and doing it very well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Each and every word was like a thunder, and you enlightened us with your immense knowledge, sir. You made us to think the perspective of our vision and narrowness of the path should be changed for sure, sir. Thank you so much, sir. This session wouldn't be possible without our Zixa organizing team who had worked behind the screen for the success. Finally, I thank all the participants who joined us today. Thank you all. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukhabhag bhavet. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
காயத்ரி ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். காயத்ரிங்கிறது ஒரு பெரிய சந்தஸ். நான் நீ நன்னா இருப்ப.
Thank you,
நல்லா
sir.
பண்ணின. ஆசீர்வாதம்.
Thank you so much, sir.
ஆசீர்வாதம்.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
இளஞ்செழியன் எல்லாருக்கும் என்னுடைய நன்றிகள்.